Smart Roadster Coupe 2003-05. The Smart Roadster, W452, is a two-door, two-seater sports car, S-segment in Europe, first introduced in 2003 by Smartcom. Sales of the Roadster and Roadster Coupe met expectations, however, warranty claims resulted in a halt of production of both models in November 2005 after 43,091 Roadsters were made. The last one built now resides in the Mercedes-Benz Museum. This article contains wording that promotes the subject in a subjective manner without imparting real information. Please remove or replace such wording and instead of making proclamations about a subject's importance, use facts and attribution to demonstrate that importance. August 2015, learn how and when to remove this template message. At the 1998 Paris Motor Show, the two-seat, 2.5 meters, 98 and long Smart City Coupe, later named Smart Fortwo, was launched. This was the beginning of a new car brand and one of the more radical vehicle concepts to hit the European market since the bubble cars of the 1950s. It was also the beginning of a difficult period for Smart. The City Coupe had stability problems that were discovered only immediately prior to launch. These forced a package of alterations to be made that were both expensive and compromised the car's handling, ride, and gearshift. Public concerns over the car's stability, combined with Smart's elitist marketing and the sheer radicality of the car's design, proved damaging to initial sales. Production projections were slashed from 200,000 per year to 80,000, close to disastrous for a new brand with just one product. Inside the company, the evangelical buzz surrounding the launch of the radical City Coupe quickly evaporated. With new management, new marketing initiatives, and continuing revisions to the car's engineering to answer public concerns, future vehicle plans, including the development of a four-seat model, had not been far advanced. Under design director Jens Manske in autumn 1998, Smart's 14-person design and engineering team began to sketch possible future Smart cars. They soon realized that the powertrain of the City Coupe was ideal for a small sports car, with a compact turbo engine driving the rear wheels via a 6-speed automated manual gearbox. Following Smart's reduced to the max philosophy and general innovative approach, a concept for a super compact, practical, and pure sports car was generated. 2/4 scale exterior and 2/4 scale interior models were made in February 1999 with Volker Lutz's exterior and Christoph Maschinek's interior proposals selected for development into full-size development models. The design of the car had progressed considerably by the time Michael Maurer officially arrived from Mercedes-Benz's Japan Design Center to take over Minsk's position in May 1999. Maurer worked closely with the design team to quickly develop the Roadster, with the intention now of producing a show car for the upcoming 1999 I-Motor Show in Frankfurt. By June the full-size models of the Roadster were handed over to Stolla in Italy for production of the show car model, which was produced in about 3 months for the car's debut at the Frankfurt show. The Roadster concept was well received at Frankfurt and helped to convince management that the car should be developed for production. At the same time, a decision was made to develop Maurer's idea for a coupe version as a concept car for the Paris Motor Show a year later. As the development of the coupe concept began, so the Roadster show car was developed over the following year with both exterior and interior designs completed by November 2000. However, color and trim design continued until a year later. By early 2000, the Smart City Coupe had finally started to gain sales momentum, with its Cabrio version making a significant addition to total Smart sales. In March Maurer left Smart for Saab, succeeded by Hartmut Sinkwitz in May. As the third design director of Smart during the Roadster's development, Sinkwitz had to bring the concept to production in a very short time. This task may have been made somewhat easier by the Roadster having been designed from the start to use existing powertrain and other City Coupe components. Given some of the advanced design features, it is a credit to the design team that so much of the concept car made it to production.